What is going on? My name is Tyler. We're going to be looking at the most recent news about Palantir as well as look at the technical chart because it does look positive and I do see a trade here that I want to make for myself. So I'll be giving you guys all this information. All I ask is that you comment down below. Let me know what you think of Palantir. Are you trading this? Options trading? Are you just buying shares? Do you not like it? Let me know down below. I respond to every single comment and love to talk to you guys down there. So jumping right into it, Palantir has been selling off because they have some really bad news about the Palantir CEO. Carp discloses $10.3 million stock sale. So that is obviously not good whenever you see that. And I am not worried about this at all. There's a lot of hype and positivity around the stock. And just the fact the CEO sold a small amount of what he owns is not very alarming. Who wouldn't want to cash out on some of their sweet, sweet profits after working all this time and all this effort to make a company as great as Palantir is? So no, I don't think this has anything to do fundamentally with the company. Nothing has changed. They are still kicking ass and taking names. So the fact that the CEO sold $10.3 million in shares, no big deal to me. I'm not even worrying about it. I'm not even thinking about it. So I wouldn't be too concerned about it. This does create a massive opportunity for those of us that are smart enough to realize that Palantir is a good company, and for anybody that was buying it around $40 a share, to buy it almost 50% cheaper is a gift. So keep giving all the bad news, keep giving all the bad press. I actually do like it. If you understand the company you're investing in, you want to buy shares as cheaply as possible. And in my case, I have been buying more options because I got in on IPO day and then bought a couple more shares after, but I hate averaging up. But I do want to build out this position more, so I have been doing it with options, and I'm down a lot on the options, guys. So even when you do leaps, if a stock goes down 50%, say you bought the options, stock goes down 50%, you're going to get pretty clap because options are a derivative of value from the stock. So I have a lot of 2022 and 2023 calls, and I'm just down a lot. Like even this 2023 call, this $50 call, I'm down 52%, and I am not worried about it at all. I'm down $440, 52.07%. Not worried about it at all. And what I do see out of the technicals does look very, very bullish. So I'm going to take you guys to Webull for that. The technicals look very, very clear to me. You see we bottomed out at $20.86 on March 30th. And then we quickly ran up to about $24 a share. And that is where we are seeing our true resistance is about $24 per share. And our clear and obvious support for me is where we are right now, about the $23 mark, because that is where we topped out last time. And that is where we are kind of chilling out both times, right here, March 31st and April 1st. We were kind of chilling around this $23 range. So we're in between this tight range. You can even see this on the RSI. We are going down into oversold territory. If we sell off further down, to $22 again, we're going to be in oversold territory on the RSI. Now, taking the chart out further to see where our next resistance level or support level would be, I do see our next resistance level being around $25 per share, because this is where we consolidated out, fell down, popped back up, and then just fell. And you tend to see the support levels become resistance levels once they fall, and then the resistance levels becoming support levels. That's kind of how technicals work in a short and simple version. I know that's a very simplified version, but that's kind of how it works. So once you have this consolidation level and then it drops and then it pops back up to here, up to the same mark, the $25 level where it was consolidating out, that tends to become your resistance level. Now, if we were to pop up, let's say right here, over 25 up to this little consolidation level, then this would become our support level, and then this would also be a secondary support level. So now, as far as going into next week, I think it will be very, very good for a lot of these beat down companies. I see Neo, Palantir, I see a lot of these just beat up companies doing really good. Tesla, partly because the Easter rally. April's always a good month, and hedge funds are trying to rebalance, and they're going to rebalance into either cyclical value stocks or not home builders, Home Depot, stuff like that. But a lot of them are going to be buying these beaten down companies. So I could see a straight gap up to around $25, and then I think that's where our true support level is going to figure itself out, about $25, and then we'll go into the resistance level. But I'm thinking it's going to be around this $27 to $30 mark. I think 30 is a psychological resistance level, but $25 for now. I could see Palantir over $25 in the next coming week. And my thesis around Palantir is this: selling is way oversold, and Palantir is a great company, especially at their $39 billion market cap. It's definitely a steal. If you ever wanted to buy Palantir, now is probably your opportunity. I see this level as $22, $23 range as the lowest we are going to go. I don't see us going too much lower, and I want to build out my share position. I already do have a fairly large option position, like I already talked about, that I'm down a lot on. So I want to build out the share position because I do like this company, and I'm going to leave the video off right there. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Easter, but first, before you go, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below if you got anything useful out of this video, if you enjoyed it. Now, if you did make it to the end of this video and you want to be part of a Discord community where I send out my buy and sell alerts for free, I'm not going to keep it open too much longer, but I do post these in real time whenever I make them, and you guys can be a part of it. But I only want active people over there that are going to contribute to the community and benefit from this. So I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.